Well, 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 would you look what I finally got out of the garage. I know it's been a long time since I've done one of these videos. I apologize. It's not that I'm losing interest in them. It's just that I don't get this car out as often as I used to. Mostly just for car shows, and there really haven't been that many events that I want to take this thing to, but I just got it out of the garage and washed it today because I got a car show to go to next Saturday. So I got to take it to the 100% gas station and fill it up with some gas because we took it to Frisco Festival last month. So anyways, let's go on ahead and see how she does. Hopefully she's not completely out of gas, or and I ain't got no gas in it. So alrighty, let's see how the old girl does. 3 pats to the floor. Roll the window down.
Oh wow, it's windy today.
Yes, it is. All right. Let's see how the old girl does.
Goodness.
Come on, Sweet C.
Rev it a little bit.
No, it's not rev it. There it goes. Ooh. Alrighty. Well, that was somewhat eventful. I'll just let her warm up here for a few minutes and take her to the gas station. So that's how it happened this time, guys. We'll see you in the next one.